you're joining me at a beautiful 3-bedroom detached family home in East Hampstead. But before we show you around the inside, and it's a good party house, we're going to find Sanjay to see what the area has to offer.
Thanks, Ellen. As you can see, just around the corner from your home. Follow me down here. On this area tour, you're a few minutes drive away or walk from the Bracknell Leisure Centre. You've also got the newly regenerated Lexicon Shopping Centre not too far away. But one thing we absolutely love about Bracknell, and what the homeowner said, is there is an abundance of countryside walks just like this. So follow me down. As you can see, this trail goes on for miles. Let's not forget you've got Southfield Park just around the corner as well. But that's enough about the area. Let's go back to the home and find Ellen.
If you're the kind of people that love entertaining and summer is just around the corner, then this could be your next home. Our contact details are going to follow, so get in touch directly and we'll see you soon.